Hi, this is Brian Riaff with Custom Classics. Today we are going out in a 66 Impala. Put a seatbelt on here. And we're going to do a little pre-performance test. It has a 289 with fuel injection in it, and the car came in. The guy wants a 350 with around 350 horse, and wants to go from a turbo 400 to a 4L60E automatic transmission with a standalone shift to computer on it. So we just wanted to let you guys see what this thing was all about before we get into the project and check its lack of performance. Alright, it's on the floor. 0 to 60 in
3 hours later.
a while. It's actually a really nice car. It's got decent paint on it. Convertible, which we all love convertibles. Just really lacking in the power and performance. She's not liking it. Oh, come on, honey. Oh. It's gonna get there. We're almost at 50, 60. Oh my goodness. What a dog.
Gonna make it back?
We know.
Yeah, it's a small project. We won't need any more parts. Don't worry.
Alright, easy enough.
$15,000.
Special parts notice. Have you taken the cover off of that? We'll be doing a little bit of wire cleanup. Some of this stuff got a little roached and a little hot, but we're gonna clean it up. And then once we get some new motor mounts tomorrow, this motor, the new one, will go in. That's it. We need a better hoist. Bring it up. Alright, let's put that. Start lowering it. You want me lowered or you want to go get? It's in the hole. It's like we've done this before. Okay. Alright, we're taking out the 66 Impala this afternoon after doing an engine transplant. We went from a tired 283, I believe it was, to a 350 crate engine. Actually, it's a 350 357 crate engine. with atomic fuel injection on it. Problem before is it's very sluggish, wouldn't get out of its way. Typical of a big Impala, once it got up to speed, it would coast down the road wonderfully, but just getting the thing off the line and getting it up to speed was a chore. We've already got about 100 miles on it. Little test and tuning. We thought we'd take you out today and show you how it does now with a whole different engine and trans in it. And have set up the shift parameters on it. Again, those might get changed as we get a couple more miles on it. If you remember its passing gear earlier.
Alright, it's on the floor.
Let's see how it does now. Way, way better. Yes, outfitted it with some new gauges versus the ones he had before. A little bit more, the other ones were mechanical. These are going to be a little bit more accurate for what this new engine is. Those go about the best they can with this interior, but at least he can see a real read on his engine versus trusting the old idiot lights that won't even work at this point. Lots more power. She's a ripper now. See how much fun you can have with a little bit of engine upgrade.